If your day looks like this video is for you. You are going through your day constantly imagining, fantasizing about some great stuff. You are imagining that you are a famous singer, you are famous, you are popular, you are beloved, or you are fantasizing about being a fucking strong, masculine alpha man and I don't know, you can fuck any bitches you want, or maybe you are just wondering about being rich, having a lot of supercars, houses, money, everything. Then you snap back to reality, to the sad, depressed reality. There is two problems with that. First thing, you haven't done your activities mindfully. You may have been driving your car or riding your bicycle and you haven't been paying attention because you have been daydreaming about these stuffs. So your mindfulness kind of sucks. But the biggest problem is the second point, that now your everyday life feels kind of lame, because your imagined fantasy life is a lot much fun. Like, it's more fun than your day-to-day life. You are more happy, you have more things, so you are going to feel automatically worse, because you are imagining a life where you are happy, where you have money, where you can talk with girls, where you can fuck any girls you want, and your life isn't that. So now you are asking why you are not satisfied with your life. Instead of being grateful for what you have, you are constantly imagining, or you are constantly thinking about things you don't have. You are you are constantly thinking about things that you don't have. You are wanting more, you want more stuff, and you're never going to be happy. If you want to be happy, you have to make peace with yourself. Yes, you need goals. Of course you need goals, you have to think about them, you have to manifest them, but that's a different story, because fantasy without an action is just that, fantasy. So how do you solve it? Let me check my paper. First thing, you have to be aware when your daydreaming happens. Then the second point, you have to acknowledge it, that you are doing it, and then you have to stop it. You have to reprogram your brain. How you're going to do it? You have to force some positive, things inside your brain. So for example, you are riding your bicycle and you are in the nature, and now you start daydreaming. First, you are being aware that you are doing that. Now you are forcing some positive, grateful things. For example, you are going to force in your brain, hey, okay, no rich stuff, no fucking bitchy stuff. I don't need that because I'm fucking happy because there's a fucking big tree and it's green, and how cool is that there is a big tree and I'm here. I have a bicycle. I have legs. I can be in the nature and it's so beautiful. So, and you will naturally, going to slowly find more joy in your everyday life, and you wouldn't need to always fantasizing, daydreaming about something better. You have to do it more often and more frequently. You have to slowly reprogram your brain, but it takes time. So you have to being aware more and more time, and then you can force more positive thoughts inside your brain, and after a while your brain will automatically do that. So you will be aware as soon as daydreaming happens, and your brain will automatically change your perspective into your present life, and your brain will start to push towards you positive feelings, positive emotions, grateful thoughts, because you have been reprogramming your brain. So all you have to do is first being aware that happens, and second, you have to force some grateful things. So I don't know, you're just walking with yourself, you have headphones in, great music comes by, but you start to do daydreaming that you are the singer and you are the most famous individual in the world. The girls loves you, and you are walking, but then you are being aware that you do this. Now you shift your mindset, and then you say it, okay, it's okay. I'm happy to being me. I can walk outside. I have the money to, buy headphones. I have headphones, I have a Spotify subscription, or I have Wi-Fi because I can listen to music. And I'm fucking grateful for that. Yes, I'm not a singer, I'm not famous, but I have goals. I will achieve them because I know, and I'm kinda happy. I'm satisfied with my life right now. I don't need more. And slowly you are going to, reprogram your mind, and your mind will believe this because what you are thinking is what your brain going to believe. So slowly shift your mentality, your personality to the man that is always satisfied with himself but tries to, push harder, achieve more things. But you have to make peace with yourself. If you want, maybe you will get what you want, maybe you will get the money, but you are still not going to be satisfied. You have to be satisfied now. This is all I wanted to say. Don't worry, be happy.